Hey guys, live from EPA Facebook page. Today we are here at Team Hooymans BE. It has been an amazing day for Jan Hooymans and his love manager Gregory Bekart. Today they win the first national Argenton old birds against more than 17,000 pigeons and the fastest one of more than 34,000 pigeons. Jan, congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
Amazing.
Congrats to Greg.
Gregory, congratulations.
Thank you.
Amazing performance.
Thank you.
It has been the 8th national victory for Jan Hooymans since he entered Belgian pigeon sport only 4 years ago.
Yes.
And at Team Hooymans BE for Gregory, it has been his 4th. So that's just amazing. Gregory, can you tell us something about the pigeon? Did he already perform well before? And what kind of pigeon this is?
He's a very good pigeon. Last year he was my best yearling.
Yeah.
He won 10 national ace pigeon, font yearlings.
Okay, amazing.
Also won the first prize from Sermes, 389 kilometer.
Okay.
He was not really extremely motivated, but he's a very curious pigeon. When I enter the loft, he also come and look. Okay, who's coming? Who's coming?
Okay, he shows off a lot of character.
Yeah, he wants to see everything.
Okay. So you didn't notice for this race he was very motivated, but he was in good condition and.
Normally my hands were better in condition than my cocks.
Okay, so you.
In my opinion.
Yeah.
But yeah, this performance, yeah.
Of course, yeah. So I saw he was your 3rd nominated. That's just because of you expect your hands to come ahead of the cocks, but.
Yeah, my cocks were not really stable. One time they were there, the other week they were not there. So I don't trust them.
Okay.
The hands they were performing already very good this year, and they also did already one national race.
Okay.
Bush. So
Yeah.
that's why I first put my hands.
First 2 hands in the nominations and then the cock, but you choose him as your first cock, so that also means something, I guess. So, okay, Jan, you bred the pigeon. That's why you entered Belgian pigeon sport to test your Harry family in a better way than you did before. Like you give more chance to test them. Maybe you can tell us something about how this pigeon is bred. So maybe introduce about the father and the mother and why you put this couple together. Also, you already can start.
Yeah, you know, I have always inbred pigeons and then I cross them.
Yeah.
So the father is from New Harry.
The base breeder.
Yes.
Yes.
Paired to Alexia, and Alexia is, I think, for sure the best sister of Harry.
Yes, and Alexia herself also won first MPO Chateau, I think. Yes.
Yeah. And then I put her on the breeding now.
Okay.
And the mother is from Golden Prince.
Okay.
A very good pigeon.
The Dutch Golden Prince, right?
The Dutch Golden Prince. And the mother of the mother is Biesmans Sagan. Is a co-breeding between the very famous Biesmans.
From the Hoog and the Goesen, I think.
Hoog and Goes, yeah.
Yes. Okay, so I have the pedigree here. As you say, his father is from New Harry with Alexia.
Yes.
I think this combination also already bred one love race winner or ace pigeon in Victoria Falls, right?
Correct. I have different brothers and sisters from that pairing.
Yeah.
And they give all good pigeons. And you heard more about that coupling because one love race are they very good, and also in Netherlands, in West Vlaanderen, and also by Gregory, you have good results.
Okay, and the mother is out of the Golden Prince from Spearings, and Golden Prince was a first MPO winner himself from Chateau.
It's by Great Wall.
that one is currently owned by Great Wall from China. Very interesting pairing. I see in the pedigree the pigeon before his results from last year. So 10th National Ace Category yearlings. He also won the first prize on Sermazes against 644 pigeons. 20th National Libourne already last year. So
when you see the photo,
yeah,
you can show you on the photo.
Okay, so beside that results I just mentioned, he also won 28th National Aurillac, 6,500 pigeons, and 14th National Souillac against more than 6,000 pigeons. So
that's a long distance.
it is not a lucky shot, this pigeon, for sure not. He already was there several times before, and today, yeah, it was his day to go ahead of the whole package of the whole 34,000 base kitted pigeons, and win this race on the longest distance, what nobody expected. Yeah, it's amazing. Congratulations. Maybe, yeah, you want to say something, Jan?
Gregory is very good in contact with these pigeons, and he did more times out of the area and have very early pigeons.
Okay, so Gregory, all the credits to you. It has been amazing also for you. Four national victories in only such a short time with the Hooymans pigeons. Can you do us a favor and show the winner one more time for us?
Okay, no problem.
Great.
I will get him.
Beautiful loves here in Mol. So today we noticed that all the other, most of other pigeons in the top 10 national, as well as as for all birds as well as yearlings, it were most of them in Antwerp province. So that this pigeon shows up here in Limburg province on the longest distance is
he do a little bit the same as Kleine Harry.
yeah. So about Kleine Harry, Kleine Harry won 2 years. It's 2 years ago, right? First national on wat was Kleine Harry? National op welke vlag? La Souterrain. And it looks a little bit similar to the performance of this pigeon because Kleine Harry also flew that race ahead of all the pigeons against the wind, against the circumstances, which was actually almost not possible to clock a pigeon here, but Kleine Harry did something very exceptionally, and what the pigeon of Gregory, his national winner today, did is a little bit similar to Kleine Harry. So yeah, that's amazing. Of course, it's related to each other, it's family of each other, so it's in the genes. This is the national winner today, first National Argenton, the fastest one of 34,000 pigeons. Okay, maybe you can show us the eye a little bit so we can make a close-up. It has a beautiful yellow eye, which I think it comes from the father, correct, Jan?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. I also notice same kind of eye in the knockout ace from Victoria Falls. It also has same kind of yellow eye, right? Nog een keer de vleugel. Conditie. Is in a great shape. Very nice wing. Very nice. Okay, Gregory, thanks for showing us the pigeon.
You're welcome.
Jan, also thanks for your introduction. And yeah, enjoy this 8th national victory. I already told you, I expect you to win the 10th soon. So good luck and all the best to you and your team. Everybody involved, Christian, Silvio, Christoph, of course, everybody. So congrats and good luck in future, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.